how to upload multiple photos on TikTok. So first is you have to go to your TikTok application, and it will lead you here directly to your homepage where you can see the posts of others and basically everyone in TikTok. Now the next thing is on the bottom part, you will see 5 different icons there. You'll see homepage, shop, the plus sign, inbox, and profile. So I want you to tap on the plus sign there. Now, after tapping, it will lead you here to your camera section. And on the bottom part, you will see 2 different options, the effects and upload. You tap on upload there, and it will lead you here to your gallery. Now, on the bottom part, you will see select multiple. You just tap on the circle so that you can add a lot of photos there. And then here you can see 3 different section, the all videos and photos. So since we want to upload a lot of photos, you can tap on photos there so that TikTok will actually segregate, or you could easily access or choose the photos that you want to upload. Now you just tap on the photos that you want to upload there. So there are actually 2 options or 2 modes there. There is a video mode and the photo mode. So this is photo mode looks like. So you could swipe through the photos here, manually swipe through the photo. So if you want to see the photo again, you could just swipe it back. Now if you set it to the video mode, on video mode, it will automatically swipe the photos, so you don't have a control over it. But if you switch it to photo mode, just tap on switch to photo mode here and just set up everything. Put your captions, tag people, or you want to put your location, or you want to add a link, or you can actually send it to whoever or what social media, and then you can choose who can see this post and then tap on post. And that is how you upload multiple photos on TikTok. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your TikTok application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.